Hi children, welcome to computer class. Today we are going to discuss about how to use Python. We are discussing the part 3 of Python chapter, and here in this part we are going to understand how to use Python and how can you use the Python interpreter window, and also you are understanding the different versions and how to download Python. Also you will understand the fundamentals of Python language. Which are the fundamentals, which all things you have to know to dominate over the Python language. And all these points we are going to discuss in the part 3. Okay. Now we can move to the PowerPoint presentation and understand more on how to use Python. Now we will see how to download Python. How to download Python. How to install it in your computer. You can install Python on any operating system. In Windows you can download it from python.org downloads. And the window will come like this. You can select the version. So official website for Python downloading, and you can download the latest version. Installation steps are very simple only. You just have to accept the agreement and finish the installation. The different versions of Python you can see. Okay, it is released in the year, that also given. Okay, latest one also given. Again, how to start Python. Once you installed, you can open Python and you will get the calculator mode or the interactive mode or conversational mode. Okay, there is a Python prompt you can see. The Python prompt will give you space for typing your entries or data with the 3 greater than signs you can see there. Okay, after the 3 greater than symbol you can enter your commands or data. You can see the 3 greater than symbol. It is called as Python prompt. After this you are starting your typing. Okay, again you can see there is a script mode, means you are typing a program and saving it using the same window. Once Python has been installed, you start Python in 2 modes, that is Python command line you can use directly at calculator mode or conversational mode, and also you will get that window, or you can open Python ideally. Okay. Integrated development environment. Ideally means integrated development environment, that you can from the menu itself you can select. Python modes. Already we told 2 modes are there, interactive mode and script mode. And Python files are saving with the .py extension. For example, if you are giving a name program.py, py is the Python extension. And you can see the modes, different windows you can see. Okay, Python interactive mode. After that 3 greater than symbol you are starting typing, and the file option is there. You can click on the file option and save your programs in the Python shell. Again you have to understand the print function or print command, print statement. The print statement prints the specified message to the screen. You can, as a beginner, you can start with a print statement. You can print your name or Python programming or any words you can, that you have to enclose in double quotes or single quotes as it is a string. Okay. Then again you can sum numbers, multiplication, addition, you can check in your window. Again you can see it is divided and given hello, then I am Python. Separately it is given and it is combining together, and this, if you want to get the comma, that comma also included in double quotes. See, again Python is still 27 years old. 27 is not at all enclosing in double quotes because it is a number. See that. Next is, okay, you can print the numbers. Again plus sign is adding and value. Okay, this and this together we can print in the same line. Then Python fundamentals. What are the fundamentals of Python? If you want to use Python or master over Python, then you have to understand the basics of Python or fundamentals of Python. There are 5 items are there, you can say. First you have to know about data types. Then you have to understand about the flow control. Again the functions used in Python. Again you have to understand the file handling. Again it's object and class. So we will study data types and file handling and operators, functions, some functions and all we will study, and you will understand the control, if statements also, controlling statements also we will understand. Okay, and you will get more ideas in the coming classes, and you have to just understand the 5 fundamentals of Python are as follows: data type, flow control, functions, file handling, object and class. You can see it in detail. Data types means number, string, list, dictionaries, that you will study in the next class. Okay, flow control, if else, for, while, continue, or the loops controlling statements. And functions, definition, function call, document string, return, all these are including in this. File handling. File handling means reading, writing and editing are the basic file operations. You can save a file, write a file, edit a file. Okay, that everything you can store in the memory, and that also including in the file handling. Again object and class, how to load variables and different functions, that also you will study in the coming classes. Okay, now you can see the diagram, the 5 important or the fundamentals of Python: object and class, data types, flow control, functions and file handling. Now we can conclude this topic by discussing some exercises, which are the 2 Python modes, in interactive mode and script mode. What is the extension of Python program? .py is the extension of Python programs. Which are the Python fundamentals? You already know the Python fundamentals are data types, flow control, functions, file handling, object and class. Okay, so all of you study well. We can discuss more in the live class. Stay home, stay safe.